are talking about safety. Now what I wear is the worst things for that. First, I take some drink to the lab. That is not allowed. I can't have the watch. That is very dangerous. Also, because we have the lathe machine and the milling machine, we can't take the glove there. I don't have the foot protection of my feet. That will be very dangerous. Also, we have the trip on my clothes. That will be very hard, very tough time, and not a long trousers. That will be very bad. So if I wear this, most important thing is I don't have eye protection. So if I have injured or died in here, that will be very possible.
Hi guys, my name is Shyam, and today I'm going to take you through the safety measures that you should follow while coming to the machining lab. The first and foremost thing is to wear proper shoes. No flip-flops or no sandals allowed. That is to protect your feet basically. And the second thing is no wristwatches or bands or any of that sort in your hands. No rings, nothing like that of that sort. So remove them and put them in your pockets. The third most important thing is eyewear protection. So you must always wear eye protection to protect your eyes. The next thing is no drinks, no coffee or nothing of that sort available. It should be kept near the machining area, so you better throw them in the dustbin. There are two things that you should note while you're doing the machining process. And one thing of that sort is never go close like this and then work, because the chips may fall into your eye and it may damage your eye. The second thing is don't use the machine. If you don't know how to use it, please call Mr. Lois and then ask him how to use it. Please don't use it when you don't know how to use it. And then no chains or anything of that sort in your neck. And when you go close to the machine, they can get pulled and it may cause any harm to yourself. That's about it.
Okay, first, if we want to lock this stuff, we need to use the handle right here. So this is locked. And the second step is to check the knife, the cutting blade, whether it's match this measure. So when you touch it and feel good, so that's nice.
And that's my X0 starting point. Now then, I'm going to move over here, and that's my Y starting point. Notice how
Hi everybody, this is Fehaid Almutairi. I'm gonna talk today about the punch machine. It's actually a very basic machine used to do small jobs. So in this lab, we use the punch machine to connect the hammer head with the hammer handle. So basically just put them down here, just above each other, and then we just punch them down. And this is how it looks after the punch.
Hi everyone, I will tell you a little bit about this machine. This machine called bead blasting, and some people call it sand blasting. Actually, the way it works, you just take the blade after you take the dimensions and you make the holes. After that, you just put it here, and then you just close it like this. For sure, for your safety, you have to wear glasses. However, it's pretty safe. You just press this one by your foot to make the sand flow. And then you cover it totally with sand. After that, you just take it. And the purpose of it, because it's clean the plates of deposits, and it works by applying fine glass beads at a high pressure. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. This is first we need to introduce this milling machine. So first of all, we need to know that it's machining at the round, so you can't use any glove. That is very dangerous. So take it out. The second one is to know we will use this machine to make this part. So this is the hammer, the holder of the hammer and the handle. So we will use 3 different types of puppets. So this one is for the first machine. It's to make the shape of the hammer, and use a smaller one. Use a smaller one to finish the finishing cut. And the third one is this round one. Is to make the hammer one. So firstly we need to calculate that one. We use this one is for the center of the hammer to make to calculate what's the distance we will machining. So we will talk about how to work on that. This is for this one is for the wide to change the Z the raising up, and this is for the Y, and this is for the axle. And also this one is for to make sure we can read out the distance of that from this machine. We can set that at 0. Also, this one is for the up and the down of the cutter. So we will put the cutter on that. We will use this handle to make sure that to touch the part. So now we touch the part. We set this one at 0. So after that, we will working on that. So this is stand forward and go step. Yeah, if we reach the ideal weight, and we will lock this one, so that couldn't be moved anymore. So we will use this one, X and Y and X to move the direction where we want to go. And this one is to stop. Stop this one and take it back. So change the cutter to finish our work. Okay. So after work, we will use if we want to change the cutter. This one should be the caution. We need to stop it at the range of the low part, so we can change the part.
Hello everybody, this is a milling machine. It looks like the old style, but it's programmed, and it's called CNC machine, which is programmed by software to do everything in here, and then it will do it automatically instead of manually as we have done there. You can see this is a drilling and trying to curve a name, which is my name in this case. There is an X and Y and Z. We can do it manually, but it's automatically done right now. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.